In this video, I'll go ahead and demonstrate how you can disconnect surplus social media channels, which you would typically need during the downgrading process from your VirtusNova subscription. Within your dashboard, navigate to the top right and select Social Profiles. Alternatively, you can also just scroll down on your dashboard to the section where you can see your connected social media profiles. Either click here on the three dots or within Social Profiles, selecting the social media channel that you want to go ahead and disconnect, and click on Disconnect. Once you confirm the disconnection, please note that all your posts which are in the VirtusNova calendar, scheduled and drafted, will be permanently deleted. Already published posts, of course, remain live on your social media channel. Once confirming this, you will be able to then proceed with your downgrading process.